All right, going on with the variations. Here is Nissan 62 Nissan Junior truck. I just had an opportunity. I've kind of got these. So the original one I got was this, um, and I've seen it a few more times, and I was like, "Oh, I already have one." But when they came out with the Sriracha theme, I was like, "That's kind of cool," because I also have um, the Subaru Sambar that has that same theme, so I thought that was really cool. And then recently, as I had a video not too long ago, the Nissan Junior again, but with the Nissan colors, which if you understand, I am a huge Nissan guy, so definitely had to get this batch or this truck that truck with the Nissan stuff, but I think that's it, unless they somehow come up with some Datsun version that looks really cool. I'll probably get that.